Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we will be building part 1-16 front leaf spring eye of the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So let's get designing. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex, and let's build the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Can't have a simpler name. Get tongue twisted at times. Anyway, we're going to work on part 1-16 front leaf spring eye. And you thought the other piece before the previous episode was small. And this one's simpler again. But first we're going to go right plane. Click on that. Go circle. Do 2 circles. Let's do the outside circle. It's going to be 19. 19, yes it is. Inner circle is going to be 10. Yes, it's going to be 10 this time. If I click on it. 10. Okay, that's good. Now we want a box like that. We want a center line there. Now this where are we? Smart dimension from the center line to there, it's going to be 1 millimeter, and this is going to be thank you, 3 millimeters. That's going to scroll up. This line, this point, and this here is going to go boink. Perfect. So now that's in place. That's good. Now we go trim. There we go. Now just to make sure nothing moves. There we go. Everything is good again. So that's it. So let's go to feature, extrude, mid plane. That's going to be how wide? 25. And okay. And that's all that piece is. Quite simple, really. Whew. Man, they're getting smaller. The episodes won't exist. It actually looks like a faint type E. So anyway, that's all it is for that little piece. We'll continue on next episode. So thank you for coming along. If you enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, please subscribe. Thanks again for everyone's support. Welcome new subscribers. Thank you for everyone subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.